Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Another token what you ask it for analysis. It's a Pyth Network. Today we'd like to show you the updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. This is how the chart looks like after listing on Binance. So basically, we didn't use the intention accumulation pop model, and I already explained you why. Because here, this was a listing in February 2024, and the top in March 2024. Basically, from, let's say, listing price 37 cents, they put the price to $1.16 and then dump it. But the main chart looks like this one, because that token is not just a brand new one. It's already traded on Max, for example, from November 2023. I'm not count that crazy weak candle, I just formed the range. So here was listing on the Binance. So February 2024, this one, listing, pump, everything looks like we go into the moon, but then we landed and even sweep it, the low of Max from January 2024. The price was 22 cents and we sweep it. So it's kind of weird, right? So when we listed in January at 22 cents and the same year after, for example, like 8 months, we come back and sweep that low. So always take a profit, guys. It's so easy to be trapped on this crypto space when everybody around you screaming, we're going to the moon. The bull run confirmed a million times this time. The influencers show you the bull run confirmed, the 10x, the 20x, 50x, what altcoins to buy to get a 1000x. They show you some random stuff, guys. It's just a pure speculation. Every single asset you see on that charts on a Binance on major exchanges is just a pure speculative assets. And any of that assets can be delisted at any single moment. What I don't like at this current moment, I don't like the market cap at that low price, now over than 1 billion. So imagine how low they can dump the price of that coin if they decide to take a profit and dump it. Because 1 billion is not a low cap, guys, just to be honest. So you can track and you should track the token unlocks for that token, the circulation supply. So if you believe in $1, and I think more than real to see $1, so the Pyth Network should reach like 3.6 billion market cap. That's why, yes, we can see the dump again. And unfortunately, under, let's say, 22 cents, there is a empty zone. So this is like a black hole, right? So we can't know where they will stop that dump if they want to form that dump. So just in case, it's not make sense to draw the FEEP, for this drops, right? Because we don't know how this is the end of drop or not. The bullish targets, if this is just a range and we form a deviation at the bottom. So like, if this is a deviation, we form deviation usually at the bottom, this one, like deviation at the bottom, and the next deviation should be at the top, $1.18. Maybe the next sweep of that top can be the end of bull run for that token. More than real, we can't know, guys. We can trade in a sideways here, long-term period, or over than a half year more, 100 days more, guys. We can't know the timing. We work only with the price action. That's why the bullish targets, if you believe in that project, and I would like to check with my customer set what's going on a weekly time frame. So if you believe in that project and you want to accumulate it and you're ready for accumulation, so this is a bounce 100% when you'll see the 100% profit just with raw initial deposit. So this is a weekly gap, no monthly gaps, by the way, and this is the next step. So if this is just a range, around 69 cents is going to be the equilibrium. So most likely we can see even the move like this one. So it's going to be the bad case scenario, just to be honest. Why? Because we waste the time. Of course, much better trade like this one, then pump, then trade like this one, then dump again to the same range, and only after that recover back, forming something like double bottom. Guys, it's going to be so annoying. So annoying. So the top, it can be like $1.18, over than 4 billion market cap. So if you believe, for example, $2 for that token, So over than 7 billion market cap, yes, it's more than real, guys. We still didn't see the main altcoin season, yes. So locally, we trade in range. Can we drop lower like this one? Of course we can, even to 10 cents. So nobody know where the market makers will stop dump for that token. By seasonality, I think, yes, the August, September can be still some like a red months for that token, but October, I truly believe will be the positive before the United States election. So the bullish target is here, this monthly gap. So if you accumulated that bottom here at 22, easily at 44, at 48, you can withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins. Then after that, you absolutely don't care. You close the chart, absolutely don't worry about that token. Add the alert here and wait the notification. Let's take a look what my customer said. What are we doing now? What I don't like. We are here in the middle, so without a crazy accumulation zones for Pyth. Here's like we trying going to the top, recover back. But imagine by price, we're at the bottom. We try and go into the top, the distribution zone. So if we bounce like this one, it's going to be the distribution, unfortunately. No accumulation zone on direction. Still euphoria, signs even in November, only 3. Still euphoria on a weekly time frame. So that's kind of weird, personally for me. Let's take a look. Money power, take profit, trade on. Take profit, still no data. Trade on, it was signal to sell. Here's a buyback, so it's local bounce. Nothing special, no money inflow on the weekly time frame. This is what I don't like. Here's a distribution, here's a buyback, signals to buy. It was just a local bounce, like swing trades, right? So we got a last one here. And yes, we can see one more deviation. Sweep that low and drop even to 19, for example, if something happened with the geopolitics, right? You know, the upcoming news. What is bullish one? Take a look on a daily, how many, 3, 1, 2, 3, bullish, MACD divergency, bullish, RSI divergency, money inflow. So yes, I repeat, we can see this move, but then most likely we drop again. If you don't know what's going on by FIB, so I will remind you here. So this is like a range, and take a look where will be now the equilibrium. Equilibrium start, magic, right? Equilibrium starts now exactly at that weekly favorable gap, and a little bit higher can be like 77 cents fulfill of that gap, or 69.96 test and then drop. It's gonna be the bad case scenario because we just wasted the time. So just track the updates for Pyth. So anyway, guys, always take a profit. And last indicator on the daily one, take a look at the take profit. Why we can drop lower? I hope, of course, guys. I hope not. I hope we always go in only up, but we work with the possibilities. We work with the price action, and the market makers just trade that assets. Dump under from the price bounce, almost test the fundamental price bounce. Hold the line. Now, the positive case scenario will be if we hold the line here at take profit 23.75. If not, we can dump even to 17.65 cents. So the positive case, if we make a reversal move and go into 47, where you need to fix or withdraw initial deposit. Of course, guys, it's only up to you, but just a safety trade. So the take profit line now it's 47.18. Exit line is sweep of that highs. It's 53.35. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.